If you're experiencing pending transfers on TikTok, this guide will help you resolve the issue quickly and easily. Follow these steps to ensure your transactions are processed smoothly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause delays in processing transfers. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Update the TikTok app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the TikTok app. Go to your device's App Store, search for TikTok, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Review your payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Wait for processing time. Sometimes transfers may take longer than expected due to processing times. Allow some time for the transaction to complete, especially if it involves bank transfers or external payment methods. Step 5. Contact TikTok support. If the transfer remains pending after following the above steps, reach out to TikTok support for assistance. Provide them with details about the transaction, and they can help you resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on TikTok. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from TikTok's customer support.